In this video, I will show you how to embed music on your Squarespace website. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on Add Block and then simply select Audio. Now, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the Edit button, and as you can see here, if you want, you can upload your own track, or you can simply select external file. Now here you can basically add the YouTube link, you can add Spotify, whatever you want. As you can see here, you can also add podcasting, and then you have design. Now, as you can see here, if you want, you can allow the user to download a copy of this track, and here you can simply choose the player style, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.